Hey everyone, it's Michael here at Home Health Success Academy and 10xpatientreferrals.com. What you're going to be watching here is an excerpt coming from our webinar on how we actually taught a lot of our current members at 10xpatientreferrals.com how to be able to take advantage of the current COVID-19 epidemic and how to be able to double or even triple your referrals by taking advantage of the current state that's happening right now. So just to let you guys know, you're going to be watching an excerpt coming from that 2.5-hour webinar that we actually created. But at the very same time, if you enjoyed this quick excerpt, you're going to be able to actually watch the full webinar. All you have to do is click the link down below. And at the very same time as watch the webinar all the way through, because it's going to be on for a very limited time, then we just pull it out. But we're going to be offering you guys a lot of additional bonuses that you should take advantage of now. So enjoy the video and make sure you click the link down below after you watch this video. One thing that you can do is your giveaways, right? So I'm sure that you guys used to give pens, used to give mugs, right? But this is a way to be able to get their attention, be able to say, hey, this is what we're doing. Rather than giving them little, tchotchkes here and there, we actually got ready to go, right? So our team, we had a mastermind meeting with our marketers. We sat down, we said, hey guys, look, this is coming. All this stuff is going on. Don't forget, remember the toilet roll scare, the toilet paper scare, where everybody was like running out of toilet paper. When this was happening, we actually went to Costco and bought a bunch of toilet paper, right? Because we're taking care of a lot of our patients. If they don't have toilet paper, it's going to be a little bit hard for us, right? So, we made sure that we were ready for this as well. Well, little giveaways, right? How do you stand out with your giveaways? So one thing that we did is that we actually gave out, we bought some boxes from Amazon, some real nice, cute boxes, not that expensive. It costs maybe about 35 cents to 50 cents a box, right? And so what we did was we actually put N95 masks in there with our business cards with little notes, okay? And we sent that to all our current referral sources. But at the very same time as we sent it to people that we were trying to get a meeting with. And we told them, and because a lot of facilities were still not closed down around this time, but what we did was we sent them N95 masks and say, hey, listen, we want to be able to have a face-to-face talk to you, and we know that that you're trying to prevent certain things, so we're sending you an N95 mask so that maybe we can meet outside your your facility for a quick 5-minute quick chat. You can put your N95 mask that we gave you, and our company, our marketers will be wearing one as well, so that we can protect each other from from all the stuff that's going on. And guess what? We're not even going to give you a flyer. We're just going to send you a video to watch, right? So by us doing that, that's actually going to become very helpful. So we were sending N95 masks. So that got a lot of phone calls, to come into us. A lot of people call us and say, hey, thank you so much for sending us the N95 masks. And we said, hey, you're welcome. Can we have a meeting? If you don't want to be able to meet up, can I do a quick 15-minute meeting with you guys? The N95 mask didn't cost a lot of money for us. It didn't, right? So it was a good thing. And then what we also did was we were sending regular face masks, those basic face masks that we have, that not the N95, but just the basic blue masks that we got from Medline. What we did was on a weekly basis, we were sending by mail 3 of those face masks to them, because some of the facilities were running out of face masks, and at the very same time as the facilities were being careful that employees weren't taking things home. I'm a nurse myself. I've taken home things by accident. Yeah, most of the time, right? Tape, things always end up in my pocket when I used to be working in the floor as a nurse. It's the very same thing at this very moment, but you have limited supplies, so companies are very careful. So here we are sending N95 masks and sending regular masks to these potential referral sources and our current referral sources. So we were giving something of value that wasn't really costing us a lot of money, but we were sending things by mail. So it was another form of us to be able to have follow-up. It's another thing that we can actually solve problems. It shows that we want to be able to help them out. And so what are things that you guys can do at this very moment that's going to make you guys stand out? We were also sending them what we call our care packages, right? We sent care packages. So in a little box, we also provided the masks. We'll put a pair of gloves in there. We'll put an antibacterial soap, antibacterial gel, and some snacks, of course. Never ever send something to somebody without some snacks, okay? So these little care packages that we were sending on a weekly basis to these facilities, to potential referral sources, because we know who we're targeting, it got their attention. So let me ask a question for you guys, right? Is this, any of these things have you done actually? At this very moment, since the COVID scare, the beginning of the shutdown and everything, have you done anything like this that we're doing for our agencies, that we're suggesting for the companies that we're consulting with? I will pretty much say that more than likely you were not. And so this is how you stand out.